Have you ever wondered how you can flip your money for profit? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many, and for a good reason. We all desire that magic touch that transforms our hard-earned money into a mountain of wealth. But is it magic, or is it knowledge and strategy? This is where we come in, demystifying the art of money flipping. We'll venture into the vast landscape of financial opportunities, exploring 8 distinct methods that could potentially multiply your money. From the bustling world of stocks to the ever-evolving realm of cryptocurrency, we'll dissect each method, highlighting their benefits and risks, and providing you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. We understand that everyone's financial situation and risk tolerance are unique, and that's why we're presenting a diverse range of options. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into the first method to multiply your money. First up, we have investing in stocks. You might be wondering, what exactly is stock investment? In simple terms, it's buying shares in a company with the expectation that these shares will increase in value over time. The potential for high returns is one of the key reasons why many people are drawn to this form of investment. But remember, with high potential returns come high risks. The value of your shares can fluctuate, sometimes dramatically, based on a multitude of factors such as economic conditions, company performance, and global events. Therefore, investing in stocks isn't like a casual stroll in the park. It's more like navigating through a complex maze. Successful stock investing requires a good understanding of the market and the ability to make informed decisions. You'll need to stay updated on current trends, company news, and economic indicators. So, if you're ready to take on the challenge and have patience, investing in stocks can be a lucrative way to flip your money for profit. To reap benefits, it's crucial to research and understand the market. Next, let's talk about real estate investment. Real estate, a field teeming with potential, is a prime example of a tangible asset that appreciates over time. It's a classic route for those seeking to flip their money for profit. Its advantages are manifold. Firstly, it provides a steady cash flow in the form of rental income. Secondly, as property values increase, so does your wealth. However, it's not all roses. Real estate requires a significant upfront investment, and managing properties can be time-consuming. The market can be volatile, and, like any investment, it comes with risks. Therefore, due diligence is vital. Research the area, understand the market trends, and consider the potential for rental income or resale value. But above all, remember 2 things: location and timing. A prime location will always be in demand, and buying at the right time can significantly increase your return on investment. Remember, location and timing are key in real estate. The third method is peer-to-peer lending. This system allows you to play the bank, lending your money directly to individuals or small businesses in return for interest. It's a win-win situation. Borrowers get loans at rates they can afford, and lenders earn higher interest than traditional savings accounts. However, like any investment, it comes with a measure of risk. The biggest risk is default, that is, the borrower failing to pay back the loan. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence before lending your money. Peer-to-peer lending platforms often provide credit ratings for borrowers, so you can gauge the risk before you lend. And remember, the higher the risk, the higher the potential return. But the trick to success in peer-to-peer lending is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across multiple loans to mitigate risk and increase your chances of a steady return. Always ensure to diversify your investments in peer-to-peer lending. Fourth on our list is starting a business. Now, this isn't for the faint of heart, but the potential profits can be sky high. The key here is to identify a gap in the market, something people need or want but can't easily get. Sure, there are risks involved. You'll be putting your time, money, and energy on the line, and there's no guarantee of success. But don't let that discourage you. With good research and a solid business plan, you can significantly minimize these risks. A business plan is your roadmap. It outlines your business goals, the strategies you'll use to achieve them, and the resources you'll need. It's a critical tool not just for you, but also for potential investors. Remember, starting a business is more than just about making money. It's about creating value, solving problems, and making a difference. While risky, a successful business can be a major money flip. Next, let's delve into trading cryptocurrencies. Emerging from the shadowy fringes of the financial world, cryptocurrency trading has swiftly gained prominence. It's akin to the Wild West of the financial landscape, where the rules are still being written, and the opportunities for profit are immense. The rise of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others has created a new frontier for investors. These decentralized digital currencies have the potential for high returns, often outpacing traditional investments. But with great reward comes great risk. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile, with values often swinging wildly in a matter of hours. One day you could be on top of the world. The next, you could be staring at a significant loss. For those with a high-risk tolerance and an appetite for the unknown, cryptocurrency trading can be an exhilarating ride. Cryptocurrencies can flip your money, but remember, it's a volatile market. The seventh method is Forex trading. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is Forex trading? It's the act of buying and selling currencies, much like stocks, but with a global twist. You're playing on the world stage, betting on the economic outcomes of entire countries. The potential for profit in Forex trading is substantial. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market worldwide, with a daily trading volume of over $5 trillion. This enormous volume means high liquidity, which translates into faster transactions and less price manipulation. But here's the caveat. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's fraught with risks. Currency prices can be highly volatile, influenced by factors ranging from economic indicators to geopolitical events. Also, the use of leverage can magnify both profits and losses. So, if you're considering diving into Forex trading, equip yourself with a solid understanding of currency markets, their dynamics, and risk management strategies. Forex trading requires a good understanding of currency markets. Finally, we have investing in commodities. Commodities are basic goods used in commerce that are interchangeable with other commodities of the same type. These include tangible assets like gold, silver, and oil. Investing in commodities can be a smart way to diversify your portfolio. The potential for profit is significant, especially in times of economic uncertainty. For instance, when the value of traditional assets like stocks and bonds decline, commodities like gold and silver often increase in value. This makes them a reliable safety net. However, like any investment, there are risks involved. The value of commodities is heavily influenced by factors such as geopolitical events, natural disasters, and changes in supply and demand. Investing in commodities requires a keen understanding of these factors and a willingness to keep a close eye on the market. It's not for everyone, but for those willing to put in the work, it can be a profitable venture. Commodities can be a safe haven during economic instability. To wrap it all up, let's quickly revisit the 8 powerful methods we've discussed today for flipping your money for profit. First, we dove into the world of stocks. This method, though risk-laden, can be a gold mine if you invest wisely. We learned that understanding the stock market, keeping track of trends, and having patience are keys to success. Next, we explored the realm of real estate investment. Whether it's buying and selling properties or renting them out, real estate can provide a steady source of income if managed properly. Then, we delved into the intriguing concept of peer-to-peer lending, where you can act as a mini-bank, lending your money to others and earning interest. Trust and due diligence are vital here. We also touched on the exciting prospect of starting your own business. It's a challenging route, but one that can lead to immense profits if you're passionate, persistent, and strategic. We then navigated the volatile yet promising world of cryptocurrency trading. With its potential for high returns, it's a field for the brave and the well-informed. Forex trading, another method we discussed, involves the trading of different currencies. With a deep understanding of the global economy, you could turn a TD profit. Lastly, we looked into investing in commodities like gold, silver, and oil. These tangible assets can act as a safety net during economic downturns, providing a hedge against inflation. In all these methods, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of research and understanding the market you're entering. Whether it's stocks, real estate, peer-to-peer lending, starting a business, cryptocurrencies, forex, or commodities, knowledge is your most valuable asset. And remember, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across various platforms can help minimize risk and maximize potential profits. Remember, flipping your money is possible, but it requires careful planning and smart decisions. Until next time, keep flipping.